Have you recently found your business account too complex? Switching to a personal account may simplify your transactions. In this video, we'll guide you on changing your PayPal account from business back to personal. It's a straightforward process. Before we jump in, ensure you have your login credentials ready to access your PayPal account. Let's first log into your PayPal account and navigate to the settings. Look for the Account Settings option. In the settings, find Account Type and click on Change Account Type. This is where the switch happens. Select Personal Account from the options provided, then confirm your choice. It's as easy as that. Congratulations! You've successfully changed your PayPal account to personal. Enjoy a simpler experience. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below. We're here to help. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tips and tutorials on managing your finances online. Thank you for watching. We hope this guide made your PayPal experience smoother and more enjoyable. Stay tuned for more informative content like this. Your financial ease is just a click away. Now go ahead and enjoy your newly simplified PayPal experience. Happy banking!